Hi, welcome to the explanation section of balls to square. Now, what you have received in the package are two sponge balls and one sponge in the shape of square. And the one with the shape of square, you can see there is a hole in the square. Yes? To prepare, you have to pull this out, invert it inside out, so it looks like a ball like that. Okay, now as you perform, you have to prepare this in your hand like that. Just hold it in your finger, squish it so that it becomes very small. It's a special sponge and therefore you can hide it in your hand. As you squeeze it, it becomes very small. Take the other ball and squeeze it in your hand as well, just like that, and you are ready to go. Yeah, remember the square is here and the ball is here, and you have one ball to come up with. Okay, so to start off, go and show the audience that you have one ball. Yeah, it's a special ball. Ask them if they have seen it. They will say no, maybe not. Yeah, tell them it's a special sponge. Watch, look at the sponge. If I rub it like that, you will see very slowly. Okay, what I have done is I have placed this ball together with this ball on the table. Okay, as I put it on the table, I open up my hand and I put this sponge together, but I push them down and I just rub them like that. So it just seems like the sponge has become longer. It doesn't appear that there are two sponges already. So as I continue to rub, I release the tension a little bit, little by little, and slowly show that there are two sponges. And now this is a surprise for them. This is a surprise for them. So next up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place these two sponges inside this fist. No one knows that I already hold a sponge here. Yeah, it's a square sponge. No one knows I have already held it before. But what I'm going to do is I take these two sponge balls and I put it right inside. Okay, I shall open up my fist so you can see how I put it inside. I shall put it inside like that, and the other one inside like that, and this is the way I flip it over. I have to flip the square out like that, so it becomes a square, and the two balls are hidden inside the square. So once it has become a square, I place it on my hand and I show that there are no more balls in my hand. Okay, so when you want to perform again, just take these two balls out and repeat the same thing and you are set to go. But remember, when you receive the balls and the square, the shape may be a little bit distorted. So what you have to do is to soak all of these sponges in water. Just soak it for maybe 1 or 2 minutes and leave it there. It's fine. Take it out and squeeze it until it becomes really dry as possible, and try to reshape it. Remember, sponge is easier to reshape when it is wet. So yep, soak it in the water and take it out, squeeze it really dry and reshape it, so you are ready to go. Thank you.